How to use Clio client intake forms properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Those client intake forms streamline onboarding, but beginners often make mistakes that reduce efficiency and lead to incomplete client records. The first mistake is creating overly generic forms. Intake forms should capture key information, contact details, case specifics, and relevant documents. Generic forms can leave out critical data. Another common error is not customizing forms for practice areas. Family law, corporate law, and personal injury clients need different information. Using one template for all cases can slow down your workflow and create errors. Many users forget to integrate forms with their CRM. Clio allows automatic population into client files. Manual entry increases mistakes and wastes time. Neglecting privacy and compliance is another pitfall. Forms often collect sensitive information, so using secure forms and storing data according to legal standards is essential. Finally, some assume completed forms are final. Clients may update information, and tracking revisions is crucial to maintain accurate records. To use Clio client intake forms properly, design detailed and relevant forms, customize per practice area, integrate with your CRM, maintain privacy standards, and track updates. Avoid these mistakes, and client intake will be smooth, accurate, and professional.